The death of retired Air Commodore Ngulu has added to a growing public discussion over the increasing number of senior military figures passing away in recent weeks, a trend that some citizens have linked to the country's current political climate following the enactment of Constitutional Amendment Bill number 333, although no evidence has established any connection. Sanabida Mashko Blanyu Watches Air Commodore Ngulu dies. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Team Namna Mobile Commission, the Air Force of Zimbabwe, announced that Air Commodore retired Ngulu died on 9 July after a prolonged illness. His passing was confirmed by Air Force of Zimbabwe Commander Air Marshal Jacob John Njere. In a statement, Air Marshal Njere described the late Air Commodore as a committed officer whose years of service to Air Force of Zimbabwe and the Zimbabwe Defense Forces were marked by dedication and professionalism. Ngulu's death comes at a time when Zimbabwe continues to witness the loss of several current and former security sector officials, fueling debate among citizens over developments within the country's military establishment in the wake of Cape 3. Authorities have not yet released funeral arrangements, saying details of his burial will be announced in due course. Toma developments are pangwa ine. Na comment section videos of Ngulu email to be subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.